Hello everyone, I am Alexandra Sokolova and this is an apartment in Mersin, a 1+1 apartment. A new, elegant apartment is being sold by an investor at a very attractive price. Give it a like, let's go have a look. I want to draw your attention to these beautiful, elegant, stylish doors. At the entrance, there is a mirrored wardrobe, a well-sized bathroom, a large mirror, a wall-mounted toilet with a bidet function, and a shower space for a washing machine. It's all set here. Tiles in the hallway, laminate in the living areas. Such a stylish, elegant, festive kitchen. You must agree, it looks very good. On the floor, laminate of a pleasant color, and here we have such elegant wallpaper. Access to the terrace. The terrace is south-facing. The complex has extensive infrastructure, with gazebos, children's sports grounds, a swimming pool, a water park, a generator, parking spaces, and so on. All details are below in the info box under the video. The area is planned for future gasification, so spaces have been allocated for prospective radiators and a gas boiler. The bedroom will also delight you with its design and size, as well as the presence of a good balcony with outlets for air conditioning units and a space for a gas boiler. As usual, all details are left in the info box under the video. Share your impressions. Visit the website for other current offers. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you all and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.